display right. Okay. All right. So now the first thing is what I want to install the extension, that is the keyword software. This is the extension. Gaskia ni o. So once you add the extension to Chrome, add extension. So tó bá ti download tó ti add, you can now okay. So now the keyword software has been installed. So this is it. Okay. This is it. You can decide to pin it or not, go matter. So now please, I'll be needing ṣé mo lè lo just one store from all these Shopify stores? This one or which one? Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. So that is, so the thing is with SEO, if you want Google to rank stores, avec Google ma rank store, you know basically what we do majorly is kí la máa ń ṣe jù tá bá ti ṣe product description, a máa wá lọ ní pé a ti parí project. Okay. Alright. That is not enough to take the store up, to rank the store. Okay. Alright. You want to rank the store. Yes, o ti ṣe product description, o ti ṣe meta tags. How about collections? Okay. Alright. Collections nǹkan ṣe mọ̀ pé ó máa ń ní àwọn collections. You have to what? You still have to use ranking words to write a good search engine listing for the collection pages. So once you can write that, Google will also what? We also check all that out. Tó bá ti wò bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, they'll be able to crawl it. Okay, now I want to purchase, possibly I'm selling shoes. I now use shoes to rank my product. Shoes. Tí bá tẹ shoes sí Google, kí lè rò bó máa gbé jáde? Anything tí mo fẹ́ ṣe shoe ó ti already wà nǹkan tí tó ti wà nínú SEO mi nínú store. My store will be able to what? Will be able to move from the bottom. Díẹ̀ náà la máa ẹ mọ̀ pé SEO is just like what? It's a gradual process. It takes months. Okay. Sometimes it takes weeks. It takes months. Depending on the way you do it. Depending on the ranking words. Ranking words gangan. Ṣé ibi ni mo ti máa bá yín pause ẹ̀ kó má dàbí pé mò ń waste kìíní àbí kí wọ́n sọ? Okay. So now a máa ń ṣe SEO nígbà míì tẹ̀ pé báyà ní pé òun ò rí result. Gaskia ni o. Ina Zoshi. The reason why they are not getting the result is because possibly basically the keywords we use, akọ̀tẹ̀ ni pé kí ChatGPT generate keyword fún wa, and ChatGPT can just generate anyhow keywords. If you prompt ChatGPT very well, ChatGPT will give you the best response. Okay. Alright. And if you prompt ChatGPT poorly, it will give you the what? The poorest response. It will still write to kó máa wà super kìíní lójú ẹ̀ o, but the poor nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó jẹ́ list ẹ̀ ló máa kọ. Gaskia ni o. So it depends on the way you prompt ChatGPT that you'll be able to what? Be able to get the best result. So if you use good ranking words with low competition, high search volume to rank, okay, they are just stores that our stores tó ń lo keyword yìí kò pọ̀. You understand? Now people are searching for it. It's able to take that your stuff from what? From the bottom and to rank here lọ sókè sí. But you now use keyword ẹ pé àwọn stores tó ń lò wọ́n pọ̀ and it still has what? High search volume. Kó tó dé orí store tí èèyàn yẹn ṣe ń kọ́. Gaskia ni o. Ṣé understand nǹkan mo try láti sọ? Okay. All right. So now we need to work on all those things, the collections, and we can also, I still have here how to use ChatGPT to write blog posts. Pé àwọn báyà mi máa ń béèrè fún blog post. That I want to write blog post for my store. How can you help me to do it? I also have what? How you can use ChatGPT to write it. Gaskia ni o. Ina Zoshi. So now I will pick okay. I'll pick let's say I pick a store okay. Mo mú product yìí báyìí. I want to okay. Okay. Alright. All right. Now, when it comes to SEO, Abeshe SEO. Now you see this title. This is Anne Klein suit skirt. Okay. This is like this is a long tail keyword. Gaskiya ni o. Is like there are lots of long tail keywords. Like long tail keywords is just, I think it's actually in two ways. There are some that are in question format and there are some that are just very very long. Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. So this is a what? This is a keyword. So if I pick this, màá gbé lọ sí Google. Okay. Store àbí? Ṣé store ni? Eh? Is this the store? This is not the store. Okay. So now look at the keyword suffer. Now look at the work. Ṣé rí àwọn nǹkan tó wà lábẹ́ ẹ̀? Now look at the estimated monthly traffic for domain in what? In the United States of America. Tó bá jẹ́ pé US store lẹ fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, lẹ fẹ́ ní store yẹn, you have to what? You have to set it to what? To US. And look at the CPC. The cost per clicks is actually related to Google Ads. Gaskiya ni o. Now the thing is, once you do a good SEO for a buyer, tí buyer wá ní pé òun fẹ́ run ads, tó bá máa run ads, there is 70 to 80% assurance that the buyer will see sales. Okay. All right. There is what? 70 to 80% assurance that the buyer will see sales. So now look at the estimated monthly traffic and look at the keyword. Number of what? Number of keywords. Number of words and keywords tó wà nínú kíni? Tó wà nínú description yẹn. 1828 the product description. Gaskiya ni o. Now look at number of exact keywords. That is what? 0. That means if you look at this store is getting kò lè sọ fún mi. Nígbà tí store jẹ́ tó ní 488 616 estimated monthly traffic, ẹ wá ní pé kó má rí sales. Gaskiya ni o. Now look at another store. Let's go up. Now look at another one. Nordstrom.com. 400 and what? 5,000, right? I'm sorry. It's million no. I'll just change to million. 405 million 908,000. Okay. Now look at the estimate monthly traffic. So these stores are what? They are getting sales. I also have a store like that has something like this. Èmi náà mo ṣiṣẹ́ fún buyer yẹn. But it doesn't have kò ní tó àwọn eléyìí o. You know, all these ones are just like, they are like related to those Amazon, AliExpress and like all that. Tẹ́ bá máa wọ àwọn Amazon yẹn náà, they always have billions of estimated traffic. Okay. All right. So let's say for example I remove kí n yọ Anne Klein yẹn kúrò. Ṣé VPN wà lórí bí ṣá? Hotspot shield. Fiber on it. Okay. So ẹ má worry. No, kò tiẹ̀ need. So now let's look at all these. You're seeing, look at this store now. If I'm going to click on it, ó lè jẹ́ one e-commerce store ni, but our traffic tó tiẹ̀ ṣì ń rí at least estimated monthly traffic. That means this store is actually still getting only traffic, organic traffic from Google. Okay. All right. So it might not be from Google alone, it might be from other marketing strategies, but at least it's getting what? It's getting results. Okay. Now so that is that about that. Then we can now what? Now look at suit skirt. Ẹ wo search volume. Estimated monthly search volume is what? 8,100. So that means for this suit skirt, people are still searching for suit skirt in US. 8,100. Look at the cost per click when it comes to the Google Ads aspect. Okay. So now if you want to change it, ẹ lè change ẹ. Ìwálẹ̀kùn yẹn náà. Now look at this is what? This is the keyword suffer. And clean suit skirt, abi. Now look at keyword what? Keyword ideas. Okay. All right.
Is it because you have already downloaded
Multi.
that is why you bring out the two options?
Yes, because I've installed. If you install the extension, bó ṣe máa gbé wá lélẹ̀. So if you pay, if you want to do the SEO, ẹ copy product title yẹn, just take it to Google tí keywords of it already were installed, see, and it will show you these things. Okay. So there are a lot of what? There are more. Now look at ẹ Mercy women suit. So people are even searching for what? This is the KD. Àwọn 5 piece gbogbo kini, they are the KD. The competition. So people are not really even searching for this, but look at the search volume, 6,600. Okay.
Alright.
It is also what? Related to and clean suit skirt. Look at other what? Other keywords. So it will bring out lots of them for us. Ó máa gbé wá. If you type this, sorry SEMrush, these are the things tó tún máa list fún wa. Àwọn kan náà tó máa list lélẹ̀. Now look at this ewele 5% but high search volume and cleanse, sorry, rather 33% but only 1.6. Okay. Alright. So people are searching for, if you are actually going to total everything, ìgbà yẹn ló máa tó ṣe kíni. But now look at, for this keyword and clean suit skirt, people are not searching for it. There is no what? Estimated search volume. Okay. Alright. I want to buy something, mo fẹ́ raṣọ báyìí, mo wà ní US, mo fẹ́ raṣọ, ṣé màá ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mo fún mi pé mo fẹ́ máa ta and clean suit skirt. You know, it's what the customers press on Google ló máa fi gbé nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe jáde wá, àbí? Okay. Alright. So now I cannot go to Google, I want to buy clothes now. I will now go to Google and now say I want to type and clean suit skirt. If I search for this, then possibly if I ti máa ṣe SEO ẹ̀ tán, ó máa gbé store mi wá as number 1. Okay. If I use this keyword now to rank the store, tí bá search fún kíní after like some days or 1 week, if I now search for this, it will bring the store that I worked on as number 1 or number 2. Gaskiya ni o. Because this is what? This is the keyword I'm using to rank. Okay. So you need to get keywords that what? That you can use to rank. So that once they search for it, it will take the store to the top. Uma list the store as among the top stores. Gaskiya ni o. So now let's say, okay, I picked, okay, label. So I need to search for other, what is it called? I need to use other search keywords for it, and I'll be looking for one that has good search volume. Check pé search volume ẹ̀ ṣì high there with what? Low KD. So if I'm going to pick in Timama Mobile, it will feel yàtọ̀ sí àwọn maybe missing women's pants, because I can still use those ones as supporting keywords. Okay. Alright. Mo lè lo as supporting keywords, because if I'm going to rank a store, I can't just rank the store with one single keyword. The store product is suit skirt, fantastic. I want to rank the store, let's say I want to rank the store with suit skirt. So I'm going to rank the store with suit skirt, but I still need other keywords to use it to rank. So that even if they don't search for suit skirt, they can, once they search for other keywords, my store will still what? Be listed. Okay. Alright. Okay. So now let's pick the first one. No, it doesn't really tally. I can use it as support, like second and third. Okay. Alright. So let's say, okay, let's go with this. So now that basically sometimes these things might not. That is why once you copy it, ẹ tún gbé lọ sí Google, paste it there. Let's see the thing. Sometimes it might not show us the exact thing. See, sometimes it will show us should be 880 ló show lẹ́ẹ̀kan. So that means the estimate monthly traffic is still what? Still giving us traffic. Okay. So that means if I want to rank my store now, I can use what? And clean suit as my what? As the primary keyword for my what? For ranking the store. Okay. But I still need more, like 2 or 3. Okay. So I need more. Now look at other words. So it will keep on giving you related words, keywords. So you can now pick the best one that you want. So another one, you can go to what? I said you can use top bubble index. So here, this red bubble index, you can generate tags. Our man like to tags. You can generate tags from here, and you can generate what? Keywords from here. So this is it. So you paste the what is it called? You search for it. But the thing is, if you want to use it free like this, it's going to show you keywords with high competition. Okay. So if you want to use top bubble index, you need to create an account with them. It's not you don't even need to just sign up and log in. So you have access to other keywords. Okay. So kí ni ẹ̀ ń load lọ́wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká filẹ̀ bí a tó bá ti load tó àmàdé bẹ́ẹ̀. Then another one, we have Google. So we have Google Trends. Because everything about SEO is keyword. If you don't get the keyword right, then what you are doing is basically you. Okay. If you don't get the keyword right, keyword tẹ́ fẹ́ lò yẹn get it dáadáa, then nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe wrong ni o. Store yẹn tó bá máa rí sales gan bóyá direct ni. Okay. All right. So let's paste this and explore. Okay. Now look at in Nigeria. Olele. But Nigeria kọ́, àbá Nigeria, United States. Let's see. Okay. That means in the past day, there are no what? Your search doesn't have enough data to show you. So people are not really searching for it at the moment. Now you can go for what? 7 days. Let's see. Oshilo. Okay. Don't forget the search the volume is very low, 800 and something. Share screen touch in PC. Let's go for 30 days. Cow 30 days. That means that means it is not that trendy. People are not really searching for it. People are searching for it. Okay, but not that much. And you to don't search for really pọ̀ ló fi gbé àwọn chat báyìí wá. But once you see something that people are searching for very well, ẹ máa rí ó máa kọ́ yákayàká. Let's say, let me use one. Let's say we have what? Food truck. Let's say I have food trailer. The last 7 days. Okay. Right. So now, if I want to pick a keyword, I want to rank for food trailer. I know the word. The chart is amazing. Now your search from Boshen loss okay low salary. But I still need what? I still need to know if that keyword has low competition. Okay. If that keyword has low competition, tó bá ti wá ní low competition, then I'm good to go to use it. But if it doesn't have low competition, I'll look for something similar that has similar things like this and it has low competition. So doing SEO is not that akọ̀tẹ̀má joke around nípa ṣe SEO sí blu and ṣe SEO tán. SEO takes time. It doesn't just take a day to complete. I fẹ́ upsell buyer, you can be doing the SEO, ẹ máa ṣe SEO yẹn lọ, keep upselling the buyer, keep giving the buyer tools. Tó bá yẹ tools lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ máa fún, just keep telling him, keep upselling him. Kó tó parí SEO gan, èèyàn ti lè gbowó tán lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gaskiya ni o ina zo shi. So let's say no, so for the red bubble index, close. Now look at the competition. Look at the difficulty. It is what? High. Look at the Google search. 880. Ṣé pé gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá ló tally 880 for the what? For this unclean suit. Okay. So now here I said related keyword search data. What people are also searching for. I told you it will surely show you gbogbo nǹkan tó bá máa gbé one b is going to be high. But if you want to get the low competition, you have to sign up and log in. Look at the search volume. It's just 20.
But the one with the low volume is the best one to use.
Yeah, the one with the low search volume is the best to pick.
Okay.
But it must have
High competition. Right?
not high competition. Low search volume. Sorry, low.
High search volume, low competitors.
High search volume, low competition. Thank you very much. Ẹ ti dorí mi rú ẹjọ́. Òyìnbó yẹn le gan. Ó ti bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti grad. Gaskiya ni o. Ilé àzọ ṣe rí báyìí. Àwọn high la máa gbé one b. And those high, they will always have what? Good search volume. Àwọn èèyàn á sì máa search fún. But we cannot use it because what? It is very high. But if you now log in, sign up, you will still get what? You get low ones. Okay? Alright. So let's say for example I now pick ẹja wa ló kan tí mo lè lò tí.
Low power side.
No, not mi fẹ́ lo not swim skirt now. Okay.
Alright.
That's just the problem. So now you have to sign up to be able to get them. But I don't want to. Now look at these are tags too that you can what? That can help. Most popular words on tags for the what? For the for that same product. Gaskiya ni o. So we can get tags. We can also use if you go back tẹ́ bá lọ sí kíní, there is tags there. You click on the tags, put the product, add a list àwọn tags fún wa. Ó tún máa list the search kíní ẹ̀gọ́ fún wa in this top bubble index. Gaskiya ni o. So you can just pick like 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is enough. Ebi ká kàn tiẹ̀ kó gbogbo ẹ̀ gan. A fẹ́ dorí Google yìí nìyẹn. Okay. Alright. So then okay, this is what I was searching for. So let's say I want to rank with this one now. Mo fẹ́ fi and cleanse suit, mo fẹ́ fi rank stuff. I've picked it as my primary keyword. Òní mo fẹ́ lò pé okay mo fẹ́ fi rank stuff. I'll copy it. I have it there. So I will now pick other two tí mo mọ̀ pé ó ní tó wà similar sí that I want to use to rank it, and as the search volume is also high. So I can pick let's say mo wá fẹ́ mú mi. So let's pick this. Let's say I'm picking this. Gaskiya ni o. Ina zo shi. So that means I've picked this, abi, and I've picked this. Those are the two keywords I want to rank. So I can still pick one more depending on the total number you want. Okay? You can use 2, you can use 1, you can use 3. But make sure you have a primary one and extra 1 or 2. So now I want to rank with this. Mo fẹ́ fi product description to ẹ pé ó máa tí Google bá ti wá sí store mi. Okay, they will be able to know that when anybody searches for Anne Klein suit or they search for Macy women's suit, ó máa list the store yẹn. From down, at least there. You keep updating the SEO. You keep updating the SEO. So the first thing I will do is now using ChatGPT to write product description. Using ChatGPT to to write product description. Okay, all right. So you can use any ChatGPT, tẹ́ bá ní AI PRM here, you can use it, whichever one you want to use, you can use it. So now the thing is, now the first prompt that you should always give ChatGPT, because there's a way you need to prompt it so that it will give you the best response. So the first prompt, prompt 1, will be you tell ChatGPT what to do. Tell ChatGPT act as an online store that sells you put the keyword the fellow there, then tell understand so tell ChatGPT that, and you enter. Now let's look at the response. ChatGPT tell us no problem, I can act as an online store for us. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to write a product description for you? Is there anything you want me to do concerning that particular type of product for you? Okay. All right. That is the first prompt. Tell ChatGPT what to do. Act as an online store that sells. Then you put the keyword there. Okay. All right. And you can also add that one too. And clean. You can add the two keywords. Tó bá jẹ́ méjì ni, efficient àti missing kìíní yẹn, you can add it too. If you have three keywords that you want to use to rank, use it also. Gaskiya ni o. So after that one, that is the first prompt. Then the second prompt, ó pọ̀ gan, ó pọ̀. So I will have to type it on the notepad and copy it sí ChatGPT. So the second prompt is write a high converting sales focused on e-commerce product description. Ṣé ẹ rí nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe ṣá? I write a high converting sales focused on e-commerce product description. Now you are telling ChatGPT to, you've told ChatGPT to act as an online store for you, abi. Now you want it to write what? A product description pertaining to what? To an e-commerce. Okay. You can put the e-commerce, possibly you can put Shopify in front. If you want to be specific on it. Gaskiya ni o. Ina zo shi. So you can put Shopify there if you like. And if you don't, you can leave it like that. So write a high converting sales focused on e-commerce product description for now. The next thing is the keywords that you want to use to rank. Okay. Keywords, then you can put it in brackets. The unclean suit, comma, and the Macy women's suit. Don't forget, different products. Let me show you. So here in bracket, the reason I'm putting it in bracket is keywords. Don't know that it is keyword. So the keyword that you want to use to rank, that is what you will put there. Okay. All right. So that is that for that. Then the next thing is with the following features. Now the thing is, every product will always have what? Features. Gaskiya ni o. Every product has features. So if you don't have you want the features, you don't know, because you cannot write the product features from your head. That means if you are going to be writing the product features from your head, that means you know all the entire products in this world. Gaskiya ni o. But you can't write product features from your head. So you need to what? You need to leverage on other places. Gaskiya ni o. So first thing, you go to the store, store yẹn padà ná. Store and product description, because once you dropship a product description máa ń bá product yẹn wá. Yes or yes? their feature, the features will always be what? Will always be there. Okay.
Alright.
The features will always be there. So you can go there, copy the features. Gaskiya ni o.
Ina so shi.
You can copy the features. But if you see that okay, o kò sí features yẹn ńbẹ̀, no problem. Go to Google. Search for the product. Search for the product. Then you can go to all those the Amazon, the AliExpress, the CJ and the likes. Go and copy their own description. Just make sure that what you are copying tallies with the product. Okay? Ó gbọ́dọ̀ tally pẹ̀lú product yẹn. So now let's say okay, I'm going to what? eBay now. If there is product description there, I'll pick it. So let's say I'm going for this. So if there is no description, no problem. Okay.
Alright.
There's nothing here. I can't use eBay. So we just need to get something like the features. So to get the features, we go to àwọn kìíní ẹ̀ náà ni okay, ṣó máa wà l'Amazon ṣá? I don't know. Basically I use is it okay, is Amazon? I think it's Amazon. Let's check Amazon. So basically I use I go to the store yẹn ni mo ti máa ń mọ̀. I just go to the store, copy the features, gbogbo features tó wà níbẹ̀, I'll copy it and I'll go and paste it. Okay.
Alright.
So if I can just see features, I'll just put it there. My features automatically, I'll just add it for kí n lè fi explain so that we don't waste much of our time. So kí yẹn tó máa load lọ́wọ́. So the features will be here. I'm going to be putting the features there. So now the next is the product is intended to be used by, who are the people that are going to be using the product? Àwọn wo ló máa wọ skirt? Female now. Adult what? Adult females. Abi? Adult females. Then and it should be used for, so kí ló lè máa fi ṣe? Those type of clothes, you can use it for what? Office wears. You're going for what? Occasions, birthday. I'm just trying to write from my head new. Okay.
Alright.
Birthday, party, and the likes. Okay. So that means now write a high converting sales focused on e-commerce product description for this particular keyword with the following features. So let's check our Amazon bí ó ti load there. Kò tí load there o. Yes, I'm interested. Gaskiya ni o.
Ina so shi.
Okay, let's just check. I just need product description, like so that I can get features.
It should be used.
No ṣẹlẹ̀. Okay, no problem. the problem? Wọ́n ti ní pé ká má wò wọ́n. The right back, chop it us ní basket. Ìyẹn ti ti store. Ṣàrílé wọlé kan yẹn.
Let me check it.
Okay. The thing is, even if you don't get it, then there's still a better way we can use. Ejo. We can just open a new tab, ChatGPT. Then add any write me kó features fún yín nípa product yẹn. Write me features. Or start with the first prompt so that you give us the best features for the product. Act as an online store that sells and cleans suits. Understand? Write me features of the product. Okay.
Alright.
Now this it has actually what? So it has actually listed it. Then you can just pick you can pick maybe 4 or 5, or even if you pick everything, the way you're going to prompt it is actually going to change it. Let's say I've actually copied it. Then mawasibi mabe paste. Okay.
Alright.
I've actually pasted it there, Abi. Now the next thing is this is what I want ChatGPT to write for me. Okay.
Alright.
This is what, like everything here, this is what I want ChatGPT to write for me. But now I need to tell him how he is actually going to arrange it. Because if I ti máa kó fún báyìí, ó lè arrange ẹ̀ bó ṣe wù. Ó lè gbé bí features yẹn kó ọkọ̀ features first, kó wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú introduction, something like that. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Then I parí pẹ̀lú kí. But I need to still tell ChatGPT, okay, this is how I want you to arrange it for me. Okay.
Alright.
So now you need to tell ChatGPT. Now the next thing is note. Note. The structure of the description should be introductory paragraph. Introductory paragraph followed by a list of 5 bullet points that outline the benefits of the features, and followed by a paragraph of who the product is intended for, and how it should be used. Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Ẹ rí, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà fún yín. Note the structure of the description. Now I want to tell ChatGPT this is how you should position everything for me. I want you to first write me an introductory paragraph first. Okay.
Alright.
Now after writing me the introductory paragraph, give me a list of 5 bullet points or more than that that outlines the benefits of the features. Gaskiya ni o. So that means after the introductory paragraph, it will now give me the benefits of the what of those features. Then followed by who are the products intended for. Females. Then ChatGPT will still tell me more about we still talk more about those people that are to use the product and how it should be used. Gaskiya ni o. So that is how it's actually going to arrange it for me. So once I have that, I will highlight it and copy. Okay. I just start mo ṣe start mo lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn ni. Okay. Now take it to ChatGPT and paste. Okay.
Alright.
Now ṣe ti rí, it will what? It will tell me. It will give me. So if you are going to be checking everything, if you check everything, the keywords will surely be what? Ó máa wà ńbẹ̀. Okay.
Alright.
And clean suits, abi, and clean suit collections. If you still go down, you see what? You still keep on seeing those clean keywords. They are very, very essential. Okay.
Alright.
Alright. So tó bá ti kọ́ tán, no problem. Don't copy it. Gaskiya ni o. Don't copy it. There's a better way you can also do it. Jẹ́ pé ó máa wà easier and what? And better. So you just copy and paste. Gaskiya ni o. So the next prompt 3. Now the prompt 3 is create HTML code for the product description. Now you can use it, you can write it in 2 ways. There's a way you can write it like this, or you write it where so that you have to still tell ChatGPT that it will not affect the canonical tag, the alternate page with canonical tags. You can put it, and if you like, you don't need to put it. Gaskiya ni o. But if I'm going to I can just leave it like this. Let's say I'm leaving it like this. Now look at what it will write for me. Ó máa kọ code for me. This is what I need. Okay.
Alright.
Alright. It will write an HTML code for me. And tó bá ti kọ tán, á jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé òun ti kọ tán. Then the next thing I do is just what? I copy the code. Okay.
Alright.
Once I copy the code, I'll come here. Ti kọ tán. Create HTML code. Gbogbo nǹkan tó wà níbí. Okay. Everything that is here. Nǹkan tó wà níbí ló wà nínú code yẹn. Okay, ilé. This is the prompt 2. Prompt 2 lele.
I'm talking about where you write notes.
Note. And this is the note now. The structure of the description should be introductory paragraph followed by a list of 5 bullet points that outlines the benefits of the features. Ẹ gbúdọ̀ lo ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé one app like èèyàn gbúdọ̀ máa ṣe ẹ ti already ní pé ChatGPT lo ṣe báyìí ẹ ti ní pé kó wá tì báyìí fún yín kó kọ description fún yín ok bí mo fẹ́ kí description yẹn ṣe rí lélẹ̀ ó yá wá fún mi ní HTML code fún description yẹn bí àwọn ṣe máa ṣe lọ nìyẹn. Ṣé ti kọ́ tán? So now look at the unclean suit is ideal for a professional women seeking style, comfort, and versatility in their wardrobe. Okay, that is What I wrote was what? Give me an introductory paragraph first. Okay. It gave me introductory paragraph, abi. Now the next one is what? The benefit of the features, key benefits. Ó dẹ̀ fún mi. Then the next one is now what? Who the product is intended for. Now the product is intended for what? Professional women. Ó tún máa make it more professionally, like in a way that is actually going to be acceptable. Okay. Then after that one, whether you are attending, okay, this is still part of it. Now, crafted for women who value both fashion and what? Functions. That is what? How it should be used. The last aspect. So it's already the way you want ChatGPT to do it for you, you have to give it to it like that. It's just like you are babysitting ChatGPT. Gaskiya ni o. The way you babysit it is the way it's actually going to give you the result. So now I've actually mo ti copy code yẹn nìkan ni mo need. I've copied the code. Everything here is what gbogbo nǹkan tí mo kà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yẹn ló ti wà ní code yìí. So you go to the store. Tẹ́ bá ti dé store yẹn, you can tẹ́ bá ti dé store yẹn, don't forget it's product description we are writing, abi. So you come here, show HTML, click on it. Ó máa gbé code tiẹ̀ wá. So you can now what? You can highlight and paste that one. Okay. Once you paste that one, ẹ wá padà síbi show editor. Ṣé kó ti gbé wá bẹ́ẹ̀? Instead of copying and pasting that one, tẹ́ pé èèyàn lè ṣe mistake when copying, it will just do it for you straight. And you have what? You have it. Okay. Now it's even going to give you H1 tag. It's going to give you H1 tag. It's going to give you paragraphs. The H1 tag, the H2 tags, the H3 tags, the H4 and the what? And the paragraphs. Ó máa fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Gaskiya ni o. So the H1 tags and the what? And the rest. Gaskiya ni o. So that means I've actually what? Mo ti ṣe yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. The next thing is now the media. When it comes to SEO, media. Okay. All right. Now look at this. Look at this. This is a skirt suit now. Abi suit skirt. Abi. Now don't forget. I think kini ni mo ṣe fẹ́lẹ̀. I think I only did for suit, but I still need skirt there. So I'm not going to save this. Save it because the person needs to go and redo it very well. Suit lásán ni mo ṣe fẹ́lẹ̀. Suit ni mo pè. But look at the point. This is just what? Skirt for suit. So I cannot just use it like that. So I need to what? I need to get the product. This is a skirt. So what I just need, I'll change the name so that when Google bots come into the store, tó bá máa rí orúkọ yẹn and clean suit bí a product kíní tí mo fẹ́ lò keyword tí mo fẹ́ lò possibly, okay, let's say for example I want to use the unclean suit skirt ni mo fẹ́ lò. So I need what? Now look at this is the name that is there. Background removal. You understand? Google cannot understand what this image is all about. Anything to bá wà related to background removal ni Google máa ṣe kíni ló máa gbé lè jáde sí. Understand? So Google needs to understand the image. Google cannot understand that image. Kò rí image yẹn gan. But nǹkan tẹ́ bá fún, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá fún ló máa fi mọ̀ pé okay, this is what this image is all about. So use the keyword also to Olemalo. So I'm going to be using the keyword. Let's say I'm going to be adding, let's say, skirt to it now. Okay. All right. That means unclean suit skirt. So when anybody is searching for something, the keyword, ó wá lọ sí image. Mi fẹ́ wo àwọn kíní yẹn, but let me check images. Google will bring out the image, the store image. Google máa gbé wá. Okay. Right. And don't forget, once you change the name, make sure you change the alternate text also to the same thing. It is also essential. Alternate text yẹn gangan ni Google máa orúkọ ẹ ti wà ń bẹ̀ and clean suit skirt. It might be the page type, the title, but the alternate text must be the ranking word that you want to use. Okay. So we no follow me, sha. So once you do the alternate text is what Google will read. Tó bá ti kà á mọ̀ pé okay image this is what it is unclean suit skirt. That means if I go to Google, if a customer go to Google, search for unclean suit skirt and wants to check images for it, image yìí máa display. But now if you don't have any alternate text and you have, even if you have the name, Google might not, will not understand the image. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n bèrè question kan. Once you want you want to load the store, kí ló máa kọ́kọ́ display, image or text? Text ló máa kọ́kọ́ display. That means Google understand text before what? Before it is the text that Google will now use to what? To display the images. Okay? Ṣé to understand the BT function the alternate text yìí ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀. So it is very very what? It is very very essential. Gaskiya ni o. So I'm not going to save it. Leave. So after that one, the next one is now what? Category. Pick the category. Okay?
Alright.
Pick the category. Most times ó máa ń gbé category tó yẹ pé ó máa suggest category fún wa. You can pick that one if you like, if it has more meta fields, and if you feel like it doesn't really go along with what you are working on, change it to what? To other ones. Okay?
Alright.
Then the main aspect when it comes to SEO is this aspect: search engine listing. Ó wà very very essential. Tí Google bá ti wá, á wo product description, okay, no problem, because product description will surely what? Ó máa show the product page. Product description will surely show your product page. But now I want to take your website and put it on the SERP, the search engine result page. Kí ni mo máa, àwọn kan wo ni mo máa need láti lọ wò kí tó lè gbé wá sí SERP, sí orí Google. I'm talking about Google Bot. This is where they come in. This is where the thing comes in play. Okay?
Alright.
So now I have to what? I need to edit it. Now let's say I want to write a page. The page title is also to unclean suit skirt. Now I need what? A good metal description for it. Èmi náà kọ́ ni màá tún forí mi kọ́. Rárá. I'll still go back to our ChatGPT. That will be the last prompt. Prompt 4. And I say write a 150. Don't forget 150, 160. Kó ṣáà má ju bí abi ṣe 250 ni. Kó ṣáà má ju 250 lọ. Okay.
Alright.
So 150 character metal description for the product. Okay? And you enter. Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. Don't forget there is always skirt there. I'm not going to save this one because this is just for the suit. So now look at the metal description to confirm me. In just what? Write me a 150 character metal description for the product. So I'll just what? Copy it. And I will come here. Paste it. Okay?
Alright.
So once I paste it, now the next thing is the URL handle. Nǹkan tó bá ti wà ní page title yín, anything that you have in your page title will be in the URL place. Nǹkan tó tẹ̀ máa fi yàtọ̀ ni pé once you are writing it, you are separating each word with a dash. Ṣẹ̀rìbọn nǹkan ilé bá unclean suit skirt àbí unclean suit skirt, and you are separating it with what? With a dash. It's just going to be like what? The URL, the link of the product page. So that means if I copy this one now, tí bá copy gbogbo URL yìí, tí bá paste sórí Google, ó máa gbé mi directly lọ sí product page store yẹn, that particular product. You understand? So you need to what? So everything this is what Google is. So if the page title does not tally with the URL handle, it will now give it another error. Your title is different from the URL. How does this title correlate with the URL you are using? Okay?
Alright.
Alright. So after that one, you save. tẹ́ bá ti ṣe tán ẹ ti save ṣe rí pé gbogbo all these tags I didn't put it, but if you now feel like okay o I want to use it, then you can now generate some tags for it. You can tell Google to generate you tags, or tell ChatGPT to generate you tags. And if you feel okay you don't want to use those type of tags, ẹ lọ sí àwọn keyword software, pick the ones that has low search volume, low competition, high search volume, copy it and paste it there. 3 or 4 is enough. Okay, all right, and you save it. So after that one, that is all for what product description. Okay, all right, so the next thing is I will not give us, like I won't be able to do it for time, but I don't know, my snap it into law, so I look for lójú but want to, it's still the same procedure. Okay, so now how to use ChatGPT to write collection. Now mo ti sọ fún wa pé a máa ṣe product description, you have to do for all the products after blog no one there, we need blog this. Okay, all right, so now the next is what you have to still use the ChatGPT to write a good collection description again, because once everything tẹ́ bá click lórí collection, now I'm clicking on dresses. Okay, I'm clicking on dresses, there is no description for it. Okay, now if I go to the search engine listing, there's also what, no meta description. Tí Google bá wá kí ni Google fẹ́ crawl níbí, nothing. Gaskiya ni o, Inazoshi. So how will this store rank? How will Google be able to rank this store when I came to your store, me anything? Kí ni mo fẹ́ this is collection and this is blog. Okay, so how will I came to your store, my God, the boat came to your store, wọn ò rí kankan láti kó pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ kó sí orí SERP. So how will the store rank? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, all right, so it's still the same procedure. Once you already snap it, so maybe later on he will give you the prompt. So I have any prompt here to be able to use those prompts to write a good collection description, and also use it to write a blog post. If a buyer is requesting for okay, help me to write a blog post, ìyá àṣòrí èèyàn náà èèyàn á fi kọ blog post. Gaskiya ni o, Inazoshi. So now the next thing I'll be showing us is those Google Search Console's error. Okay,
All right.
now let's go check Google Console wà lórí bí ẹ ti ní store tẹ link mọ́, ẹ ti ní Google Console tẹ link mọ́ email yìí. So once you go to Google Search Console, gbogbo apáta la wà familiarize pẹ̀lú Google Console. Táwọn máa ṣe store SEO, a ṣe Google Console, a ṣe Bing Webmaster, èwo la tún máa ń ṣe? Metatags.io yẹn àbí? But me, in our own office, we still went ahead to go and rank the store on another platform, Yandex. Okay, so you can do Google Console, you can do you can do Bing, you do Google Console, you do Bing, you still do Yandex, and you do metatags.io. Even the metatags.io, there's a way you can even do it on the store. Okay, you can do it on the store. Same thing, not shini. Gaskiya ni o, Inazoshi. So now this is Yandex Webmaster tool. Okay, ṣé any story ó wà ní okay. Olele. Okay. Gaskiya ni o. Now, olówó ni báyà yín yìí o. So now, if you check all this is 63 total web search clicks on Google for the last 3 months. Tẹ́ bá máa wo performance last 3 months ni 63. Then look at the impression 4.38k in the last 3 months. Tẹ́ bá wo 24 hours ńkọ́ mélòó ló ti ní 1. Tẹ́ bá wo 7 days ńkọ́ 9. But look at the impression. The impression will keep rising, yes, but there are some things that will not allow it to rank. Olele. Okay. All right. Even the store is even still Oshiwa. Okay, look at the index 1.18. Look at the not index 2.29. Gaskiya ni o. Ṣé ti rí gbogbo kìíní báyìí? Alternate page with what? With proper canonical tags. Gaskiya ni o. Another one is what? Not found 404. Another one is what? Excluded by no index tag. Another one is what? Server error 5xx. Then another one is what? Blocked by robot.txt. Gbogbo fẹ́ràn máa ń ṣe blocked by robot.txt. Tá bá ti ṣe robot.txt tá ti ṣe àwọn allow yẹn. Tá bá ti ṣe tán báyà fún báyà nípa ti ṣe allow ẹ̀ ó ti tán. Is that not what we do? But you're supposed to come here, you're supposed to validate it. Kí validate ẹ̀. Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. Now, blocked due to access forbidden 403. Soft 404. Page with what? With redirect. CRUD, currently not indexed. And another one, duplicate. Google chose different canonical than user. You should start equal. But she makes sense. We try o. Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. So possibly, even if this store now, check if I'm going to check for a particular product there, it might not be ranking like that. Okay. Let me check for something. Now let's see where he's actually getting all those orders from. No data found for. Gaskiya ni o. Kò tí fulfill àwọn order yẹn ni. Okay. So that means if it's physical product, then it's actually a different case, because people will know the store. That means always you have to go to the store, order, then I'll have your order, so you just come and I'll just send it to you. I think that is what is actually doing. Gaskiya ni o. So yeah, there are bound to be errors, but there's still a way that you can even get people check pé wọn mọ̀ nípa physical kìíní ẹ̀, that they will just order, put all the things they want, and if you just send it to them direct. Okay. So now problem ele pọ̀ o jẹ ẹ̀mí mi lọ o. Gaskiya ni o. 1,224. Please, who has this store? Tani? Ẹ̀yin. Ṣé ti gbowó lọ báyẹn? Ṣé mo pẹ́ lè fi lé upsell ẹ̀? Kò reply. Ẹ screenshot ẹ̀ sí ẹ sọ fún pé kò fi message yín mọ́. Tẹ́ bá fún náà ó lè rí kó padà sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ tí ẹ fún. Understand? If you screenshot all this now, look at, just put pages that are not indexed on Google, and the reason why pages are not indexed or why they, because now but the thing is, you already have the thing is, you can also use this thing to write plan. Is in 2 ways the other time. You can use it to write plan, or you can use it to upsell. If you want to use it to write plan, you already know all these issues. Write a plan on those issues, because kò sí store tẹ́ máa ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ó máa padà ní àwọn pages error yìí. You understand? So why not write the plan, tell them that you can help them to fix it, do Google console for them straight up, fix the error, and you can still upsell them with SEO. Gaskiya ni o. Ina Zoshi. So now the first thing is alternate page with proper canonical tags. But I'll just do like 1 or 2 so that you can understand. Now, this one is just alternate page with proper canonical is you have a link, the URL, sharing on URL here. What Google, nǹkan tí Google crawl, yes, this thing is just like ó ti pé méjì. Google is crawling 1, Google rẹ́yọ̀ kan, but this is what you want Google to check, like nǹkan tí error yẹn wà lórí lélẹ̀, this particular link is having error. Why? Ó ti pé méjì and Google is already crawling, ó ti already rẹ́yọ̀ kan. So if Google sees one and ó wá rí mi tó jẹ́ the same thing, tó wà ó possible yẹ kó tún similar sí, Google will not what? Will not work on the second one. Eléyìí tó ti rí yẹn ló máa mú. Gaskiya ni o. So that is why what? All these errors are there. So basically all you just have to do is what? Change from this one to the one tí Google gangan fẹ́ fún ara rẹ̀. Àbí eléyìí tí Google ti rí. Okay? Eléyìí tí Google ti rí yẹn ni ẹ tiẹ̀ change ẹ̀ sí. Once you change it to it, Google will now ask, okay, you've actually what? You've changed the link to the one I'm seeing myself. Then I can now what? I can now crawl it. Okay? So yé wa, that is alternate page with proper canonical. Okay? Hey, get it. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ farabalẹ̀, a máa dé bẹ̀. Okay? Alright. So the first thing is you click on it. Okay? Now look at the time it crawled it last. December 17. Ìjẹta kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé normal everyday ló yẹ kó máa crawl ẹ̀. Now you inspect. This one is what? This one is on Google. That means it doesn't really have any issue. Eléyìí wà on Google. Ó ti wà on Google. That means no problem with that one. You go again, you check for another one. Anyone tẹ́ bá ti inspect, tẹ́ rí pé ó wà on Google. That means Google is crawling it at that particular moment. The reason why it is still here is because you did not validate it. Okay? So if I go, tẹ́ bá máa lọ sísàlẹ̀, let's go down. Let's see. 1,000 ni ó pọ̀ gan. Okay? Ṣé ti rí? So ó pọ̀ gan. Now let's go to the one tẹ́ pé ó ti pẹ́ tí wọ́n ti crawl. I'll just use it. Okay? So let me pick this one first. Let's pick one first. You click on it, you inspect. Let's see if it's on Google, we pick another one. URL is not on Google. So that means the link, this link now, ó ti pé méjì. You need to what? You need to now change the link. Okay? And this is how you change the link. Now look at the reason why it is not what? It is not indexing. Page is not indexed because of what? Alternate page with proper canonical tag. So what you just have to do is now look at look at this link. Look at this link. Cherry link here. Now look at this one. Show the same. Show similar. Kò similar. Oh similar. So Google is seeing this one. Ni Google rí. Show ti yé yín mẹ́ẹ̀. Google is seeing this one, but this one Google is not seeing it. Gaskiya ni o. So what you just have to do is méjèèjì ẹ copy méjèèjì. You will now go and you now change this one link to this one and leave it like that. Gaskiya ni o. So all what I just need to do is I'll come to Sheribi sorry. Okay. Alright. So Google is seeing this one, but Google is not seeing this one. So you just copy this. You start from product. If it's slash Sheri gbogbo http dot blah 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 the URL here, you don't need it. Okay? All what you just need is from the slash tó wà níwájú .com yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ .card, tó jẹ́ .store, bó jẹ́ .co.za slash tó wà níwájú yẹn lẹ need. Just copy it and what? Copy it. Then you copy the original one tí ẹ fẹ́ change. Then you come here, or not from here. eléyìí l'original. Ó ti sá lọ o. Okay. So you copy from here. Jọ̀ọ́ má sá lọ now. You copy it. Okay.
Alright.
Now you now go to the store. This is the store. Àbí? Ẹ wá lọ sí content. Go to content. Sometimes it might not be tẹ́ bá rí content níbẹ̀, but I think Shopify just upgraded their website, so that is why the thing is showing in content. Tẹ́lẹ̀ kí ni ló máa ń wà navigation. You go to online store, you go to navigation, you see you redirect stores there. So you click on content. Okay. So once you click on content, check for menu. Let's check menu. Okay. Alright. Ṣé ti rí URL redirect. Gaskiya ni o. You click on URL redirect. Okay. So now the thing is, you need to what? You need to start creating redirect. That means all what you just want to do is the one Google, the one that has problem, I want to link it to the one that you are already crawl already. So let me link it to it. So once I link it to it, that means I will not have issue again with my alternate page with proper canonical tags. Show you what? So now the thing is, you just create URL redirect. So now you want to redirect from the old one. The old one is going to be like eléyìí tó ní issue yẹn ló máa jẹ́ redirect from. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Eléyìí tó jẹ́ old one yẹn tó ní issue yẹn gangan ló máa jẹ́ redirect from. So you paste it there. The one with the longer currency and the ṣó yé yín. Then you now redirect it to what? To the new one tí Google crawl tó ń rí. So you pick it. This is it. Olele. Abi. Then you save. Okay. Your redirect was what? Was created. Gaskiya ni o. So once you have done that, you go out. You go again to àti lọ sí Google console yẹn. You go to pages. You the alternate page is proper canonical. You go down, ẹ ṣá lọ sísàlẹ̀, just pick one ṣá. Like you have to, the thing is, you must do it for everything. Okay.
Alright.
So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá èèyàn tí issue ẹ̀ bá jẹ́ bí 40,000, mo ti rí èèyàn tí tiẹ̀ jẹ́ 44,000. Alternate page proper canonical, bá ló fẹ́ yẹ ṣe. Ó gbowó lọ báyà yẹn o, ó gba 900 lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, kò tí ì ṣetán tì now. Okay. And now you can use it to offset. That is what I said now. Ó fi gba $900. Gaskiya ni o. I have the thing on my phone here. Upwork mi ló fi gbà. Okay.
Alright.
So you can use it to upsell buyer. You just give it to them. Tell them it's error and you need to work on it and you collect the money. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, let's pick another one. Let's say this one now. Let me inspect it. Only one on Google now. Okay. Now look at this one. Let's compare it to what Google is checking. Ṣé rí pé ó yàtọ̀? Kí ni yàtọ̀ ẹ̀? This question mark page equals to 1, abi? So you copy this one. Sorry. You copy this one. And you copy this one. So this one is going to be for redirect from. Eléyìí ló máa jẹ́ redirect from. Abi? The old one is going to be the redirect from. And the one Google is actually going for is going to be the redirect to. Then ẹ tún wá sí store ọ̀hún. Now you create URL redirect. You now redirect from. Eléyìí redirect from. And this one is redirect to, and you save. So once you have done for everything, most times, if the store has lesser products, kìíní ò kì í pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ó lè má ju bí 20 something, má ju bí 30 something. Okay. So once you are done with that, tẹ́ bá ti wá parí alternate page with proper canonicals, ẹ wá So once you are done, tẹ́ bá ti ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tán, you will now come here and click on validate fix. Okay, tẹ́ bá ti validate fix bẹ́ẹ̀, Google á máa wo nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe lẹ́yọ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Okay, so this validation takes weeks, sometimes it takes months. Okay, all right. I said this validation takes weeks, some takes months. So depending, tí Google bá dẹ̀ ti rí pé okay o, the thing is there is no error, ó lè má tètè down at that particular moment, but it will not take it back to, kò ní gbé padà wá sí no, ibi validation yìí tẹ́ bá ti validate ẹ̀, tí Google bá ti validate ẹ̀, ó máa wá sísàlẹ̀ bí, ó máa kọ started. Tó bá ti wá sísàlẹ̀ bí, ó máa kọ started, then tó bá ti kọ started, tí ẹ bá tẹ̀ bá like if you omit one, tí ẹ bá omit ẹyọ kan, it will still tell you that everything is failed. Okay, so you have to look for that particular one tẹ́ omit yẹn, do it, and you now validate it again. So once you validate it, you refresh, ó máa gbé sí started again. But it's easier to get eléyìí téèyàn omit yẹn, Google máa gbé wá fún yín, ó máa gbé kíní wá, ó máa gbé wá tẹ́ bá ti click lé, you show the one that is actually having issue, ó máa kọ pending sí lórí. Okay, so you click on it, you fix it, and you validate. Gaskiya ni o, ina zo shi. So that is it about what alternate page with proper canonical ẹjọ ọ̀fun ti ń ta mí. Gaskiya ni o. Ilé ìtúpọ̀ o, kí ló dé? Not found 404. Okay. All right. Now this 404 not found 404. Now these URLs, tẹ́ bá click lé, it will take you to the page, but the page will be showing you 404 errors. Ṣé ti bá pàdé rí? Ẹ ti bá pàdé rí dáadáa. Now that is one of the reasons why Google will not index the store. Kò ní index the product yẹn. Gaskiya ni o. Now you need to what? You can fix it. Let me show us. Olele. If I click on it, 404 not found. Continue shopping. Oh my God, bye. Gaskiya ni o. Ina zo shi. But there's a way we can also what? We can also do it. Very simple. All we just have to do is what? Now, this product, this product, Mattel lipstick. That means possibly you don't have it in the store again, or the buyer does not have it in the store again. I want to delete product yẹn kúrò lórí store, kò sí lórí store mọ́, ló fi ń gbé not found wá. You understand? So you need to what? You still need to change the redirect. Ẹ máa redirect ẹ̀ náà ni. Gaskiya ni o. Now where will you be redirecting it? You can redirect it to home page, or you can redirect it to another product that looks exactly like it. Okay? Alright. If you have tó bá ní product míì tó jọ mọ́ product yìí, ẹ lè redirect ẹ lọ síbẹ̀, or you can redirect it to home page, and this is how you redirect to home page. Just copy. Tẹ́ bá ti copy, you go to the store, you create another. Okay? Don't forget, you are still from abi, then you delete gbogbo URL yẹn. Now this is how you redirect to home page. Just single slash. Okay? Tẹ́ bá ti fi slash sí, then you now save. Gaskiya ni o. Then once you save, you wait for like some seconds. Tẹ́ bá ti draw seconds, or you keep checking. So once you click on it to check, ó ṣì gbé wá báyìí. So I close, I open it again. Ó ti direct sí kíni? To home page. Gaskiya ni o. Ina zo shi. So once you redirect all those not found error 404, you will now do what? Ẹ tún máa validate ẹ̀. So once you validate, it will ó tún máa lọ sísàlẹ̀. Ó máa kọ started. Ló máa request for home page. ó depend because mo tẹ kì í ṣe pé ó máa jẹ́ ìyẹn pé ó máa jẹ́ home page. The thing is, if the buyer might have a particular product, maybe lipstick yẹn ó lè jẹ́ lipstick ni kó jẹ́ baby matte, kó má ní first one ní this mattest, kó jẹ́ matte lipstick nìkan ló ní, like another URL ni o, understand? So you can just link this one to that URL. So instead of the person to click on, tó bá máa really URL yẹn lá máa gbé lọ directly, okay? Alright. Because now there are some everything is not about redirecting though, because there are some errors tẹ́ pé tó bá redirected, the page is already on Google, tó bá redirected lọ sí home page, that means they will not be able to see that product again on your store. Gaskiya ni o, ina zo shi. So now you have to do it for all of it. Now let's check this one again. Ẹja wele. The second one. Same thing. Then we just what? On low fast, you can just do this thing within 30 minutes and you're done. Just copy, go to the store, create a new one, paste it, cancel the .com, then slash save. Then why do I CB? So you can check again. Okay, no problem. Let's refresh it. What's it be for me? See, so that is how you do it. Okay, so that is that. Once you are done with the 400 ní gbogbo ẹ̀, 483, tẹ́ bá ti parí 483 yẹn, you now come here and you what? If you want to redirect, let's say you have another product that looks exactly like that, it has maybe you want to redirect. Let's say now I want to redirect this one now. I want to redirect this to maybe a particular product tí kò ní mattest àbí, or this, let's say for example this link I have mattest matte lipstick àbí, but I have another one tó jẹ́ 11. By this one now I deleted this 11, but I still have this first one. Mo ti delete eléyìí, but I still have this first one in my store. I now want to redirect this one to this one. Oh yeah, you copy this one, copy this one, this one, copy this one, copy this one. This one will be redirect from. That means this one is already showing me not found 404. This one already has the product there. So I'll just copy this one and I'll redirect it to this one. So instead of putting slash, I'll just slash orúkọ product yẹn, nǹkan bó ṣe wà ń bẹ̀ láti bí slash product yẹn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀, and I redirect it to it and I will save it. So it will, instead of now giving me 404 errors, it will just be giving me this product. Gaskiya ni o, ina zo shi. So okay, let's do it this way. Let me show you. Let's do it this way. Let me pick one. Eléyìí àti ṣe eléyìí now, àbí? Okay. Àti ṣe eléyìí. Let me copy this one. But I will still change it back. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ rán mi létí o. So once I copy this, I'll take it here. I want to create a new URL. So I'll copy, paste. This is it, àbí? Then I will cancel, àbí? Don't forget those ones. Eléyìí tá a ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn. Wait, are they the same? Ṣé same store ni ṣá? Okay, the alternate page is called Canonical. So let's say now those ones tá a ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, they are the same store now, àbí? Eléyìí, let's say I want to redirect it to Esther. Let's say that matters lipstick is same thing with this. If I just need to put this one here and I save redirect. Chetiri. Now, if I'm not going to come here, I'll wait a little and mo lè kọ́kọ́ tí máa kọ́kọ́ check ẹ̀ agbe ṣètì pé ó ti redirect mi lọ sí ibi hairstyle yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣó ti yé yín so bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe ni. So instead of showing me home page, I've actually redirected it from that matters lipstick to hairstyle. Ṣó ti yé yín? So that is it. So please let me change it back. Kí just delete, save redirect. Okay.
Alright.
So after that one, that is dot. Then now this time around, it will not give me a star again. I need to reject. Just wait. It's time. Oh, I'm going to home page. It's Shane. Daniel. Let me show you. Is it math test? Is math test now? Okay, sorry. I have to click on that math test again. Gaskia new.
No.
So I need to click on it now. So instead of taking me, next time I need. Okay.
Alright.
Please let me go back first. Need to redirect it now. So I redirected it and it's not supposed to be showing me a star again. Okay. Home page lẹ́kún máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ straight. Clear sir? No, mo ti change ẹ̀ now. Tí mo ti already change ẹ̀ yẹn. Link wo yẹn? Mo ti redirect ẹ̀ already. Okay, let me delete it. So I delete. You have deleted it. And now for all these 404 errors, and you received a small order during midnight. Congratulations. Sir. Ẹ̀yin ṣàǹgbá ọ̀dà àǹtí nígbà èmi ò gbà ọ̀dà ayé mi. No problem.
Ilé ti yà wá ó kú ẹlẹ́kẹta.
Sorry ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Congratulations. Okay, so let's recopy it. It's a link mọ Esther ènìyàn o. Just leave it like that. So the thing is now let's move to page. Kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ mú mọ́ o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. My brain is not enough to say mo fẹ́ máa gbé gbogbo error yẹn pé I want to know how to fix everything. No, I only know selected few, but I'm working on others. Okay, I'm working on others. So this excluded by no index tag. Okay, 134. So now Sherry, this excluded by no index tags is in the Shopify backend. There is if you go to the Team Liquid, I think the Team Liquid. If you search for if you type Control F, but you must search and find here. If you type excluded by no index tag or no index tag, it's already one bit. Okay. All right. So what you have to do is we need, if all these things are very very essential for us. See, you have to check the links on URL here. If there are something that you need, they are products in it, you can what? You can just go to the MLC Shopify backend here, go and remove the no index. No index, and you have to change the index. Okay? So you are I'm gonna change the no index here. See index. Yes, in the backend. But if you feel like okay, now edit code. Now this is it. the theme.liquid. So if you search for control F Tomavish, search and find here. No index. Okay.
No index here. So you are going slash one and no index.
The no index tag. Incoming.
Computer files.
Ewo. No, kì í ṣe no, mo fẹ́ try láti wá kíni tags yẹn tí má ti lè rí
Ibi no index tag yẹn pàrọ̀ síbẹ̀. Ẹ bá lọ máa rí pé ó ní column before the start and the end. Yàtọ̀ fún column yẹn sí. Ọba ẹ̀kọ́ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
index.
Yeah, before that
Next.
put your product. So take that and do the index.
Chat on that shit, yẹ kó gbé ìtumọ̀ àwọn tó bá rí ìtumọ̀
At least yẹ kó gbé at least àwọn note tó bá wà ń bẹ̀ yẹ kó sì gbé wá. Okay. All right. Notwithstanding, so there's another way. It's actually in two ways. The first one you can hear me really get it, and the second one is you just remove the URL from Google. Okay. And to remove it, you go to remove house and you submit the kini page here, the excluded by no index kini here. You submit it there, and tẹ́ bá ti copy ẹ̀. Once you copy it, you come to remove house and you paste it there.
new request back.
Yeah, new request. So you paste it there, then you remove this URL only. So once you remove it, Google will not be able to have access to those URL again. So kò ní disturb, kò ní issue pẹ̀lú Google mọ́. You understand nǹkan mo try láti sọ? So once you do that, about if input ẹ̀ then you just you next it, and that is it about for excluded by no index tags. Okay.
Alright.
Then the next one, Bobabatalamo server 404. Mo ti ṣe rí nígbà kan, I forgot him. I can't remember again. Now Bobabatalamo blocked by robot TST. Tẹ́ bá ti ṣe robot TXT, just come check on it. Now tẹ́ bá ti ṣe, click on it. Ṣó ti wà allow? Ó ṣì wà disallowed. Ẹ lọ ṣe allow ẹ̀. Now look at this is where Google is crawling them. Ó ti yé yín? Àwọn nǹkan tí Google ń rí lélẹ̀ tó fi ń crawl wọn sí SERP. No, basically because tá a máa ń ṣe aside allowing the products and collections, possibly if there is blog, we allow the blogs, then a máa allow àwọn error tó wà níbí. Once you allow them, then we just validate like that. So that is how I do it. So once you allow them, tẹ́ bá ti wá allow wọn tán, you will now validate. Tẹ́ bá ti validate, òun náà á gbé sí, ó máa wá sísàlẹ̀, ó máa kọ started. Let me say for example now, because if I let me ṣebí mo ti ṣe ẹyọkan ilé, I've done one for this, let me validate it lójú wa kẹ́ lè rí. If I validate it, á sọ pé validation started, yes. But tomorrow you will receive notification, okay, that what I validated o rádaràda ni mo ṣe, because I've not done anything, I only did one or two. Gaskiya ni o, you understand? So they still, it will now tell you failed. So now to now check if your validation has started, you refresh. Once you refresh, started. Ó máa wà nísàlẹ̀, mo sọ pé ó máa tò sísàlẹ̀. Now if you have done it, tó bá ti wá wà tí Google ti ṣe everything, tó ti validate tó ti ṣe, ó máa wá kọ passed sí, okay. I've done for, èwo ni mo ṣe fún yẹn gan-an, it's not even here. I did for alternate page with proper canonical. I did for not found, tó ti kọ passed, okay. Alright, so to write passed, it will write passed. That means if you have done that, your store is not having any 404 issues again. Your store is not having any alternate page with proper canonical tags. Do you understand? So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. So then the next thing is page with redirect, okay.
Alright.
Now page with redirect is it's almost still the same thing with that alternate page with proper canonical tags. If you click on it, if you inspect, ó lè wọ́n pé URL is not on Google. Sherry, all we just have to do is, okay, my URL is not on Google, no problem. I'll have to what? Which one is indexing? Google, the user declared canonical. This is what is there. Now, what is Google now? Which one is Google now crawling? Is this one? Then you just have to what? Copy this one. You copy this one, and you go to content menus. URL redirect. Then you create URL redirect. Then redirect from Ajay old one. This is the old one, and the redirect to new one, and you save. Mo ti ń bá yín ṣe kò yẹ kí n bá yín ṣe góyè kẹfì, okay, ẹ ti ní báyà yẹn gan o reply mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pé reply ni mi bá ní kí bá yín scatter gbogbo ẹ̀ again kẹwàá máa ti ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Okay?
Alright.
So the second one, you go for the second one also. You've done for the first one. It's even the same thing. If you check, is what? That means it's only this one that is having issue. Nǹkan tí mo redirect sí ni, àbí? So then you what? Let's check for this one. Let's inspect this one. Òun náà lè má wà ní Google. You see? Then let's check what they are. Okay?
Alright.
So just, since you've done that one, all you just have to do is what? You validate. Gaskiya ni o. So once you validate, you don't have any issue. Okay. Inspect, sorry. So this is what we do. Let's do it this way. Now look at this one. Ó yàtọ̀ síra, àbí? Ó yàtọ̀ síra. So let's just copy this one. We already have let's copy this one too. Then we come here. Àti ṣe fẹ́lẹ̀ all busy. So this is what Google is crawling. So we create another. Eléyìí. Then towards to this, save.
No. The first one.
No, this is how it should be. Okay? Alright. And that means we've done it. Àti ṣe. Òun ni first one. Òun ni eléyìí tá a ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn.
No.
This is from now. Ele lo máa jẹ́ from. Ele lo máa jẹ́ to. So àti ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn. Since we've done it, mo ti validate yẹn. This is it. It's still the same thing. Okay? So this is it, and that is all. So once you do that, you are just going to validate, multi-validate yẹn ṣá. So that is it about pages with redirect. So èwo ló tún kù tí mo mọ̀ yẹn náà? Mi ò rántí yẹn mọ́. I can't remember. Now, let's see. Now let's go to duplicate. Google chose different canonical than user. Don't forget, other ones starting ṣe lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ when I was inspecting. Ẹ̀wọ̀n kò máa gbé user canonical kìíní fún mi. Gbé tó bá gbé user fún mi, then it will now tell me the Google selected one is the same thing as the user selected canonical. But now, Google is now choosing different canonical from the user's canonical. So what I need to do is what? Pick those user canonical and redirect it to what Google is selecting. Gaskiya ni o. Ṣó yé wa? It's just one. So yeah, now this is the user canonical. Let's inspect it. Now we've inspected. Look at user canonical. Ṣẹtiri. This is tẹ́lẹ̀. Kí ló máa gbé wá síbí? Kí ló máa kọ síbí tẹ́lẹ̀? A kọ same as what? User declared canonical. But now, this is what Google is actually crawling and indexing. So what you just have to do is copy this one, redirect this one to this one, and save it. Okay, they validate. Okay, so basically, majorly all these things are just like you are redirecting one URL to another URL. Okay, all right. So this is from here. So I'll copy from here. So create URL. This is the old one, and I want to link it to the new one. Then I'll save. So once I've created it, I'll go to my URL, which is already in here. So I will now go back to page, and I will validate. So as you're validating, you'll be receiving notification. Ẹ ti gba notification dáadáa, àbí ẹ gba notification ẹyọkan for alternate page yẹn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa gba notification lọ́la wípé nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ROM ni, okay? But this one, others, you not receive notification for it. The page, you not receive notification for it. This one, you not receive notification for it, okay? So once it's valid, tó bá ti ṣe, àwọn gbogbo ilé, all these ones now, it won't take you, kò ní pẹ́. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ráwọn tá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. So àwọn tó bá ti ṣe, it will just write passed, add the mark ẹ̀, passed mark, passed mark. Bí àwọn ṣe máa fix ẹ̀ ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni. It's not that you just you fix everything once. No, it's not possible. You can't fix everything once. Gaskiya ni o. Ina zo shi. So that is that about the Google Search Console. Okay? All right. Like there are different ways you can use to verify it. Like if you check sitemap, it's not only on sitemap.xml. There are other sitemap_x something. I think it's in 3 ways or 4 ways. Really, if you check sitemap, so even the one that is bringing error, you can still use another means to check the sitemap of the store. Okay. All right. So what I have here with me, since that I see that we've already been taught how to actually write a good plan. Gaskiya ne o. Ina zo shi. So I will not tell us anything again. We need some plan. Fatality, motivation plan. Okay. So now my own is now going to be. No, mo ti ní point náà point 13 náà lójú bọ́ọ̀dì ti wà okay now àbí. Okay. So okay, no problem. The way I do write my plan is the way I write plan that actually don't gba replies is one basically bá ṣe ń kọ plan nísìnyí bá ṣe ń kọ plan tẹ́lẹ̀ we start with introduction you start with hello there.